Not execution.
Conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, the first file you can start it. SAP car hyphen. So no, the entire file name you can give it.
Oh, I have to give the entire file name. Okay.
Yes, with the extension also. Underscore 31. .exe space
SWPM, right?
Command. No. You have to use just command now. Space. Sorry, in between hyphen.
Okay.
Hyphen XVF. Small letter XVF.
Okay.
XVF.
XVF.
Yeah. And the second file name SWPM. Yeah, that is the second file name. Give that file name. Maximize it. Yeah. Now click on .sat format. No. .sat format.
The star is okay, right? It should be. It won't pick up.
Yes. Overall, so you have multiple sat files. Is it pick up? Now you have only one file. Now you can enter everything. Is better. So you have just wait. Okay. Now it's taking. Okay. Fine. Wait.
Yeah, it's.
Yes. Now it's archiving. It is also totally 10,000 files is available. It's exceptional. Yeah. Guys, anyone preparing landscape software and everyone? Anyone?
We just downloaded workstation and
sorry to interrupt you. Actually, I have already. What is the one we have to use actually? I just log in 2 minutes late.
I think what we'll do, right? We'll extract all the softwares and be ready, Praveen. So one system when we do right parallelly, we can do installation in your systems also.
Yes. Because our installation is taking only half an hour or 1.5 hours. But what we did, manually doing is only 1 hour, 1.5 hour. Remaining is going only for it's taking 3 to 4 hours. Okay, now I want to make a present. Who are making this? Who are what?
You want me to? I want you to give back to your present, right?
No problem. I am there. So, who are prepare the landscape? Straven or Praveen?
If you want, I will do it actually. I have already.
Okay. You're doing now. Please share the screen. Praveen.
Oh, yeah.
So, if during his installation, one guy can put against the down. It's better because I had to move in the data. Like how we can think is like our live service.
It is asking, do I need to download anything?
Yeah, download the exe file. First time you make a project, you can download the exe file. What we given.
Okay. I think extraction is going to complete.
Someone sharing anything?
Yeah.
No.
He's downloading.
No, I can't able to see anything.
No, man, I was able to see that.
Not
He's not able to see. First of all, yeah.
Okay.
I think only 2 more extraction
file you downloaded. Yeah, what is the exe file is taking? You can install. Sorry, you can install it at exe file.
Only kernel and NetWeaver 7.40 is pending to extraction. Rest all is done.
Preparing everything extraction. Okay,
yeah.
Everything is done perfectly.
Yeah.
Even SWPM also.
SWPM is going, and you told it's a lot of files, right? It's going.
Okay.
I think after this, let me increase my hard disk and power boot my system. Okay.
Yes.
Then we can start the installation. But
Praveen, what
Sayed,
happened? You're not able to save a screen.
Yeah. Actually, maybe this Windows 12, I think VMware system got
Okay.
very slow. Actually, it's moving very slow.
Okay.
Give me a minute.
Sayed, you also prepared it as
Yeah, I prepared the system, but I was not able to install that 2012 in my system. I have installed is 2016 software,
yeah, no problem. It's not an issue.
but the 2016 is damn very slow in VMware.
Not it's based on the RAM, and when you go for 2016, so it is taking a taking.
Yeah, I located RAM as 8 GB and hard disk as 500 GB also, but
Why
I
is
don't
it?
know, something is wrong.
no, but
On top of
one
Windows 10. Hmm. Yeah,
actually,
Shigen.
when we try to do installation for the Sayed machine, right, we found one strange thing. When I do installation in my thing, right, it
Okay.
never asked me for license. Straight away it installed, okay, and it says it's a
Okay.
evaluation copy. After 180 days it will expire. But for Sayed case, right, the Windows
Yes.
2012 R2, right, while
Okay.
installation itself is asking for a license key, and we are not able to skip that step at all. I don't know why it's like that. Maybe the VMware is a old version what is using, or it should not be any dependency with the VMware, right? VMware is independent for this.
Yes, no in it. So you had extended also.
Yeah, that's what we don't know. We try to install multiple times, but it keeps saying that it's keep prompting for the license information for
Yeah,
Windows
instead
12.
of you had to go for Windows virtual machine, you had to go for Oracle virtual boxes unlimited access. That is also more than that.
Yeah, but that one is a license one, right?
No, no, that is also free of cost. Oracle virtual box.
Okay, maybe we
Everything
can
is
try.
virtual. Yeah, all clients are making this. Yeah, Praveen, I'm able to see your screen now. Windows 7 2012. Yes. Control Alt Delete. So guys, remember the password. Don't give any special character. Okay, because we say coming to latest version, the password is a major issue for every software, not for a SAP or Oracle or anything. So don't giving as a password at the rate dollar symbol underscore. So you have to give the combination of alphabet and numeric. That's fine. Even Windows also, because we have to proc Oracle level. Keep it in mind. So any password, any else. Okay, it's a combination of alphabet and numeric. That's enough. Yeah, put a comment, some comment. Okay, wait, no problem. Yeah, close the server manager. Put the comment. Comment, just putting as a comment and okay. Now go for software you downloaded. You're not putting as virtual. Okay. SAP software. Where is that? Okay, 7 files. Okay. Open the 7 files. So right click on extract everything. Whatever files is everything is GIF format. Extracted. After that, these files you have to dump into the virtual machine. Just a drag and drop designing. Right click on run as administrator. Right click on no, this is different. Run as administrator because the two files is there na part 1 and part 2 automatically extraction. Yeah, just click on run as administrator. The remaining all are right click and extracted, but coming to part 1, part 2 is nothing but because of database size is more than 4 GB, so it's available to archive in the format of part 1, part 2. So you can do run as administrator and installing. Then automatically extraction is going on. Remaining all file kernel and then exports and software. Those files are right click on and extracted. That's it.
So the Oracle database is already set up here, Sri. That
No, it's not there. You do now you have to install.
we have to install, right? Okay, okay.
Yes. For the sequence of software is, first of all, you have to installing as a database software. After that, you have to installing it as central instance and the central services. After that, you have to go for additional.
Okay.
So even when it's starting as a server, also the sequence is following. First of all, database. After that, central instance. After the central services. After that, the additional dialog instances.
Okay. Just a quick one. In our environment, right? Whenever we do some installation, right? They will install the SCS and AAS, SCS first, then they will ask us to do the database installation. It's other way around or what?
Which one?
In our environment, whenever SCS, they will application team will install the SCS basis guys, right? They will install the SCS first, then we will be installing the DB. So
at least that depends, but the standard format is that is also do, but you are waiting for that. Again, you have to stop. I will give that because of in between when you're doing as installation of first time application server, what happened is asking as a Oracle database path where we install that. Any database is asking as where we installing that. So installation is stopped at that time.
Oh, okay. So first will be always database installation.
Yes, that is the standard report. So I have to give a standard document also for you, like NW 7.5 installation.
Okay.
Yeah, just please go for the PPT. I'll share the PPT also, how we can installing that and how much hardware configuration is required. Those also are given.
Yeah.
What happened, Praveen? Even his extraction is taking this much time. Even is not a pop-up also. Is it a physical hard disk only? Physical files only? Praveen? Yeah. I'm not able to hear.
These are physical files only. Actually, I think the size is around 3 GB.
No, that's okay. Even so, Srikeshwar just now is doing is taking just 5 minutes all extractions. Just right click and do extraction.
Yeah, almost it's Praveen, the extraction you are doing in the VMware or you are doing outside the VMware?
Normal system is doing
outside the
not
VMware.
VMware, I think. It's not a VM. Now is just click on install.
No, it's coming
It's
very
not. He's
slow.
not doing VMware. He's doing normal system, not VMware.
No,
Same
just
thing
for
you can do
you.
remaining guys. Yeah, minimize this.
If you are keeping the software in the external hard disk, right, Praveen,
This
you
is
can
external
mount
hard
it.
disk.
This hard disk you can mount it directly to the VMware also, so you can work only on the one system. You no need to switch from your personal to VMware, something like that. Yeah. In the top of the Windows server, right? If you right click, right, there is option to attach the devices. You can attach the devices. Like if you have external disk, you can attach it there.
Okay, it's taking longer time maybe. Anyone guys? Anyone you can extra call? Anyone? Shaker? Sorry. Seven? Okay, he's offline. Server problem. Yeah. You also prepare that? You are getting any fail?
Actually,
Yeah.
I have issue with VMware itself.
VMware. What is the issue?
I have installed Oracle VM Virtual Box Manager. So when I'm
Okay.
trying to create a machine with the Windows 10 image, so it's creating, but getting forward of frequent and it's not getting up with, and it is failing with some error. VM12 failed to open session for the virtual machine, something like that.
Okay.
So I'm trying to download virtual VMware workstation instead of
Fine.
Oracle.
That is the virtual machine is common. Okay, fine. All software is extracted, na?
No, not it. I am extracting it.
Not extraction because it's also taking longer time.
Okay.
Sayed is up
I will
now.
do that.
2016 is up now.
Yeah, it's coming up. I don't know. It's taking a long time to come up.
I think Syed, you assigned the total 8 GB. Our laptop itself 8 GB, right, Syed?
Actually, I installed on my PC. My PC has 1 TB disk
No,
and
RAM,
16
RAM.
GB RAM.
Oh,
16 GB RAM is there,
then it should be good,
but
right?
still,
Ah,
but still, I will show. I will share you once this come up. It's getting very slower. I'm not sure why.
Okay, baby. Fine. Yeah.
I just rebooted it.
It's better.
Still
You can
coming.
reboot. It's better. Yes.
Yeah.
Check it. Please share.
yeah, I'm sharing it. The last two extra, this three extraction is going on. I think it's going to complete.
Which one? NW submit. But there is only one. Okay, fine. And one more is the database that is also going.
Yeah, Oracle
And
one, and then the SWPM is going on. Rest all is completed.
okay.
Yeah, this also completed. Correct.
So yeah, that is only perfect. Perfect. His extraction is going on. Yes.
Yeah,
Remaining everything perfect.
yeah,
It's taking longer time. No, no. Is a total 1,000 files, 10,000 files is there.
correct. Yeah. So only these two is going on now.
Okay, okay. It's taking a long time.
See, you don't have a DB2 software, right? Only Oracle, right?
Yeah, I will download it. Once I have to go for office, I will download that also. Because of yeah, later we do one also.
Because our environment is fully DB2 and HANA, so it will be better if we have a DB2. So,
Yes, I will give it no problem.
sure. Yeah, Praveen, what happened?
It's an offline actually.
Yeah, I think Praveen have a power problem. Oh, okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, fine, no problem. But at least you can listen the meeting, right? So anyway, we are recording it. So just try to, yeah, yeah. Once,
You can
yeah.
through mobile phone. It's asking go to downloading in the go to meeting app and through mobile. You can just use monitoring.
You can download. You already download the GoToMeeting app, right? I think you disconnected. Yeah, he got a power problem. It seems.
Okay, okay, okay.
It's heavy rain or what? Rain in Hyderabad, no, right? Normally, rain means they will cut down the power.
I'm not in Hyderabad. I'm in Sadam location. That's right.
You're based from.
You are
You're not
in?
in. You're not from Hyderabad, see?
I'm Hyderabad only, but I'm working in multi-warehouse. I'm working on Bangalore location.
Oh,
So
okay,
I had to
okay.
separate mine. Yes.
Uh,
So last week I had to went for Mumbai for a BPCL training, certification training. That's why last week I'm coming to flight. That's why I'm taking as a Friday leave. Last Friday.
Actually, see, next week, right? Next Saturday,
Yes.
Sunday, Shravan won't be available. He's going for some vacation. So next week we will skip the class. Should be fine for you, right?
Yeah, no problem. That's before you had to inform me. Everyone is skipping. Everyone are
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, if
okay.
Shravan is not there, better we will avoid it. So all four is there, it will be good, right? So we thought,
Okay.
yeah, better.
For next
So,
week.
yeah, next week we'll skip it and then following week we can have it.
Take it.
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Praveen, you are able to come, right?
Yeah, yeah. Just want to check if I don't hear any
Okay.
device, so just want. Thank you.
So power came or you logged in through mobile?
Mobile.
Oh, okay. See that SWPM extraction is completed.
Okay, fine. Then this one is only part 2 is there. Wait. Part 2, Oracle database, 10,011. Okay.
This command prompt, I can close it, right?
Yes, you can close it. Only this is also only. Everything is perfect.
Yeah. So let me increase my VMware after this. Yeah, Oracle installation also, the extraction is done, Sri. Let me increase my VMware space.
So how much is your RAM, sir?
I have 8 GB RAM in system. I allocated 4 GB for this VMware.
Okay.
See, how can I increase it? You should have option to increase, right?
You should power off first, right? Are you powered off already?
So we have to power off first, right? One
Yeah.
second. Let me do.
GGB is there, right, sir? It's not enough for installation.
If it gets stuck in between, let's increase it.
Oh.
And
Sri, actually, mine extraction is going on. Do I need to extract any other one software? Part one is extracting. Take it, sir.
Yeah, Praveen, tell me, Praveen.
Actually, I extracted part 1, right? What else do you extracted?
All softwares, Praveen. 1 second, let me give.
Uh,
You can share your screen now.
yeah, I will share, sir.
Yeah, please.
One second.
I think Sri will give you a presenter.
Okay.
Yeah, please share. Should I more back it? Yeah, Praveen, please share.
Yeah,
Array,
yeah,
it's not reflected.
I may not able to see the screen.
Increased 500 GB, right? After increase the hard disk space, we need to do any special setting in VMware? No, right?
No need anything. It's
Yes,
getting
it's not showing. It's showing only 50 GB still in my system, in VMware system.
RSIT.
one second. Let me do. Praveen,
Yeah. Then this.
Praveen, what we'll do, kernel file is then a kernel file. You're not able to see actually, so I explain. So kernel file is then a kernel file. Right click on the kernel file, extract all. After that, below fourth file is the NW740. That is also right click on extract. Those two files extracted majorly. Okay.
I am sharing the screen. Did you get my screen?
I'm not able to read it reflected. Nobody see their screen
Yeah, we are.
There it is.
because if you want to go to the exe file, download the exe file, then only now able to see. Yes, it's go to meeting launch. Okay, that's okay. Go for the work section file. Again, it started. Yes, 7 5. Yeah, there is one kernel 742 is there. No? Just right click on extract it. NW740 also right click on extract it.
Just extract, right? No need to run
Yeah,
as
just right click
administrator.
on extract. No need to run, just click on extract. This is better. Yeah. Okay. What happened? What's going on? System multiple. You're open the two go-to meetings. You're open the two go-to meeting. How many times you're open? That's why it's getting this much up.
Yeah, it's open. Continue opening a meeting, right? Go to meeting.
Yeah, I don't know. He only doing some mistake there. Is two times is downloading. That's why. Yeah, once restart the computer is better. Otherwise, you are getting like this. Either close the go-to meeting, or else you have to restart your computer. Otherwise, continuously getting pop.
Lot of
Yeah,
sessions.
yeah. You can message him. You can restart.
He's not online. Oh, he's muted. Oh,
Yes. I'm only muted because his sound is getting. No? Yes. Yes. No, yes. Again is open.
Let me call him in WhatsApp. Let me call him.
Yes. Yeah, your size is increases. Hard disk.
Yeah, and 1 second, can you make me presenter, Sri? Praveen, just reboot your box, Praveen. Something going wrong, I guess. It's opening the It's going the multiple go to meeting session opening for you, right? No, it's fine. Now it's fine. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. See, 1 second. 1 second. Sri,
Yeah,
you see here it shows 500 GB here, but internal, right? I can see only 60 GB here.
for C drive, which drive is specified? The allocation.
No, allocation is for the VMware hard disk, right?
Yeah, but it's showing is very recent. Which drive is taking this 500 GB SAC that? Increase the processor also. You have to use multi-core processor. Increase the processor also. Yeah, already power up. Now
Okay.
go for processor also. Increase
No,
the processor.
Praveen,
Yes.
we'll make you present. You joined in the call, Praveen.
No, he's not joining. He's waiting. Yeah.
Just
So
join in the call. We'll make you presenter in a few minutes. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Okay, let me shut down the machine.
it's not shutdowning every time. Just you have to okay, no problem. You have to restarting this computers maybe.
Okay.
Once restart the virtual machine. Yeah. Go for edit. Go for processor also processor. Increase the 4 core process is minimum is taking 4. Yeah, 4 is taking this, no problem. It's okay. No, that is 1 into 4. Sorry, 4 into 1. This is a multiplication. Yeah, 4 is it.
4 is enough,
Yes.
right?
Yes, it's fine. Now go for hard disk once again. What are the settings is there? The current test system size and maximum. So disk space is not pre-allocated from hard disk. Hard disk consists of you're storing a single location or multiple locations
Single location
during
only.
is asking here display information. Hard disk consists of storing the multiple files. Okay. Expand the disk
Advanced.
capable. Go for advanced once again. No, it's not taking.
Map. We have to map it up.
Maybe I think just click on map. Okay, it's getting give that I don't know below drive is there no drive. You find that C drive no my Scholar.
No, C drive is not there.
Okay, you have to create new one is better, no problem. Uncheck that. Open the drive Windows plug after map it. You can get a new drive, no problem. So instead of you had to C drive, you had to go for D drive, you had to installing SAP software.
Okay. So let's
Give
go.
Yes, click on OK.
Okay,
No
right?
problem. Yes. So you have to give any other than MB only taking, not GB. Once again, it's taking it. Okay. Disconnect once again.
Okay.
This is taking as a
No, but the
that is virtual machine space, and above one is the value 1, and that's okay. Where we
that's
done
what
this?
we installed already. I increased the hard disk to 500 GB, right?
Okay.
I did it
But
based. I used it. Virtual disk size of the partition files is not.
partition size not effective. Why is not effective?
Oh.
Just look at go for just glance it. Just click on OK. Now start the.
Can I
Start the
expand
video.
it now?
Okay, no problem.
Can I expand now?
Yeah, I can expand. Just click on that.
Okay, disk was successfully expanded. You must repartition the disk and expand the file
File
system
system.
from.
Yes. Okay, no problem. Click on OK.
So start the VMware now. Start the
Yes.
machine.
Yes. You can go for as Windows. Sorry. Yeah. So right click on my computer. You can do the space management.
One second. Okay, space management, right?
Yes. Go for disk management here. Disk management here. Sorry, I haven't opened this. Okay. Yeah, what is the command do you type in this to open this?
Okay.
Storage disk management option. Computer management. Computer management. Yes. Computer management. Yes.
Just 1 second. I'll come.
Yes. Yes. Now it's getting backside. Minimize this. Backside is getting.
Sorry.
Yeah. Please minimize. Go for disk management. Disk management.
Yeah, disk management. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, name is there, na? 440 is there, na? That is right click on it, putting as a D drive. Right click on it, unallocated space is there, na? Right click. No, not that. Next one, that is last one is there, na? Unallocated file. That right click on. Knowing. Click on next. Now this is a size. What? How much size? Click on next. Which down? So E D drive, E drive, B. Okay. Click on OK.
No need to be NTFS, right? All okay, right? Format
By default, it is. No, by default is taking. Now click on next. You can finish it.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Now check it. Go for this computer and check it. Now it's getting the space. Yes. B drive.
Yeah.
First. Yes.
Correct.
Fine. Okay. Now start the installation, guys. The first installation, pre-installation. The first step is change the computer name. Means you have to change your host name. So how to change the host name is nothing but what happened? SAP certificate.
I'm just keeping it ready. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. The first one is in pre-installations. The first one, host name. Here the host name is maximum length is 13 characters. Other than this, when you go for a 14 character, is getting error. During installation is getting error. The SAP standard is taking the maximum length of your host name is 13 character. It should be alphabet and numeric. That is your wish. So first of all, change your host name. Okay, right click on your computer. This piece is there, na? This piece, right click on it. Go for properties. Now here by default, what the computer name is there? Win5 name something is there. Okay, so I want to change that computer. Okay, just click on change that. Below change, click on change. Click on no, just click on change. Not this. Everything you have to change it. Yeah, now you want to give the anything. Yeah, give that SAP even name anything. SAP ECC TRN training, like even in naming. That is ECC TRN training says TNG. Okay, fine. No need to 01. Just put in no. Host name is like okay TNG RTNG. Okay, fine like that. Okay. Click on OK. Click on OK.
Everybody able to see the screen, right? Sayed, you are able to see the screen, right?
Yes, Shekhar, I am able to see.
Praveen, Shravan?
Sir, we can able to.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, the first pre-installation step is change the host name. Even once you have to do it also. Yeah, it's taking later, no problem. Okay, click on OK. Means if you do any changes, how the reflect is going after restarting only. Click on close. Later. Just no. Okay.
Oh,
no
sorry,
problem.
I did.
No problem.
It should come up now.
Yes, that's because if you want to do any changes, compulsory restarting as your computer. Even SAP also. If you want to do any changes like parameter or anything, you can compulsory restart the application server. Then only that effect is applied. Yeah.
This 13 characters limit, right? It is applicable for all the environments or only for Windows? Even for other platform also same?
Any environment it should be the same.
Okay, right. Thanks.
the domain name is different and the host name is different. Domain name you can give multiple, but host name should be a maximum. I'll show you that during as installation you could show that. Okay, where you're getting this error, how you can you do the pre-installation steps also.
Okay.
And next to post the pre-installation steps is increase the snap size. This is the mandatory for everywhere. So again, right click on my computer. Now check it that the effect is done or not. Just right click on yes. Yeah, properties.
Yeah.
Now it's
SAP
changed.
BASIS.
Yeah, now I want to increase the snap size means number of work process allocation time runtime. Okay, how to increasing as a snap size. Okay, here advanced system setting tab. Here only there. Below right side you have again advanced system setting tab is just click on that. Second pre-installation step increasing as a snap size or virtual memory. Okay, click on settings. Settings. First one, yeah, performance settings. Just click on that. Go for advanced and select the below is there the paging file and upper alt drive. Click on change. Now uncheck automatically and the automatic option is there now. Uncheck that option. Select the customizing size. Give the so here the formula is present RAM plus 8 GB. You can specify this. Okay, now present 4 GB is there. 4 GB plus and 8 GB, sorry, present means total 12 GB hard space means around you go for as a 40,000. Give the initial size 40,000 and I'll give the approximate value. Okay, the actual formula is the snap size is present RAM plus 8 GB. This is a constant formula. Okay,
Plus
wherever
or
is
plus
yeah.
or multiple plus, right? RAM size plus 8 GB.
Yes, present RAM plus 8 GB.
So
Means
it will be
totally
like
what happened? 12 GB. 12 into 10,000 means is getting more than. So that's why I'm giving the approximate value 40,000. Give the 40,000 and maximum is also 40,000. The hard minimum is taking as I think my experience is 32,000 is taking minimum. That's no problem. Now I get the 40,000, no problem. Okay, click on set. Hello.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Yes. Click on set. Click on set first of all. Now click on OK button. Click on yes. There is a that's why I'm saying only one time you can this. Okay, later restart later. Click on OK. Okay, apply and OK. Apply and OK. First of all, apply. After that, OK. Again, click on OK.
Later,
this is
right?
the second. Yes, just later. Okay, next one is install the Java software. Java SDK, not for anything, just SDK. Okay, that is the software development kit. This is for either you have to just is the path specification to pi. So you have to set the environment variable. So that's why you are installing as a it's a optional. It's not a mandatory. It's a optional. But now coming to Oracle database should be compulsory installing in the Java software. Even maybe DB2 HANA DB also you have installing a Java software. Old versions should be mandatory to installing a Java software. Go for Java software. Install the Java software now. Softwares.
This one, right?
Yes. I'm not a JDSDK. Yes. Double click on it. So why you want to setting is at my location where we store this overall data. Yeah, I accept it then. Click on next.
I can install in C drive, right? Anyway, we are 60 GB is enough.
Yeah, C drive. By default, C drive. No need to changing. Next. Yes. So after that, so set the environment variables. So when coming to latest version, the environment variable automatic will be taking. Okay, like when you go for more than versions, it's automatically, it's not a mandatory. Latest version, Oracle 12G or DB2 or anything that or Oracle that environment variable automatically will be set up. Old versions only can do manually. Yeah, application. Now, how to set the environment variable? Just right click on it, go for properties. Again, advanced system setting tab. Again, below is the environment variables. Again, two variables, user variables and system variable. So user variable you have to give the bin normal path, and the system variable you have to give the bin folder. Just click on new.
Yeah.
User variables, new. No, not for, no, it's not system variable. User variables, above one, the first. Give the capital letter naming variable name Java underscore home, capital letter. And give the path, value should be on path, where installing with Java software. Go for C drive, copy that path. C drive, no, you go B drive. JDS, that's the path. Copied and paste it. Okay. Now go for system variable. Under system variable, you have to select the path. Scroll down. Scroll down. System S colon. Select the path.
Correct, right?
Yeah. Path. Just click on edit.
End, right? We have to go to the end.
No, at the end of the day. No, just cancel at the end of the putting. No, cancel again. Once I cancel, you directly cancel. Again, click on edit.
Okay.
At the end of the last one, at the end of the line, putting as a semicolon.
Okay.
After that, copy the path, bin path. Go for C drive.
Bin path.
/ bin. Yeah, that's okay. Already pasted, no? Type it bin. This is one. This path. Already copy pasted in there. Yeah, / bin. Okay, button. Yeah, how to check whether the Java installation is perfectly? Click on OK. Fine, that's okay. Click on OK. How to again click. Okay. Now how to check whether the Java installation successfully or not? Go for command prompt. Type the command Java and Java C. Two commands. Go for command prompt. The two commands is perfectly done. Then only you can install in Java perfectly. Even sometime the environment will serve as Java. Enter button. Java C also. These two commands is working perfectly. Okay, means these two is environment will be successfully done and Java installation also done. For example, you are installing a Java software, but you don't setting an environment variable. Java C is not working. Okay, so two is done. Now you can restart the server. Now you have to restart your computer because of previously changing the snap size and you changing as this company. Now you can restart it.
Yeah.
So these are the three posts. Out of this mandatory are, first of all, hostname is a mandatory, and second one is the snapshot is a mandatory. Remaining is optional. The Java is optional. Now start the database installation. Any database you can installing now only. Now go for database software.
Yeah. Let me close this window.
Okay. SWPM. No. Sorry. Yeah, that's sorry. Database. Go back.
Correct. This one
No,
only,
no.
right?
That is
Yeah.
no, not that. Not that. That is the client Oracle client number. Oracle database part
you-
1, part 2 is the Oracle DB. Yeah. That the first file. Part 48. That is after extraction. The first file. No. Just go back. Installing a database. No. First file. 48 is there. No? First folder. That is the database. See the part
This
1,
one, right?
part 2. Yeah, both are in same folder. Okay, that's why
Okay.
it's taking. Okay, for database, step.exe.
Setup, right? Okay.
Yes. Yeah, uncheck this. It's asking as a mail and update. I don't want anything. Just click on next. Yes, okay.
No, right?
Yeah, we had no. Okay, click on no. It's asking as if you don't want email address and yes, okay, fine.
So we can give the username password, right? Or
No, you don't want anything. Just click on skip the software update.
okay, skip.
So just normally mount the storing purpose. You cannot do any development here. Click on next. Maybe suppose you want to upgrading as a one version, then you can using the username and password, those kind of setup. Here you're taking as only for storage purpose. And now you have to install the database software only. Select the second one. You don't want to configure the instance, nothing is there. Yeah, click on next one. Yeah, you go for only single instance. You don't want cluster configuration. Suppose you select third up, what is third button? That is a cluster configuration. You don't want any custom. The first one you have to go for only single. Now I want to running is only one. Okay, then you go for single instance database installation. Click on next. Database instance. This is. Even when you go for certification point of view, they're asking what is the installation sequence you have to following. Those are give the option data. Click on next. Click on next. This instance and the sender instance. After that, dialog instance. Yeah, by default English language. Click on next. So now we are running as a enterprise, not for standard edition. So go for enterprise edition. This is a self in order for any application. Just click on next. Now, yeah, by default is taking B drive only. It's perfect. Okay, B drive we did. Yeah, it is to B drive. See here, administrator, and this is the Oracle path, not for SAP. Okay, click on next. And now pre-installation check. Observe here, pre-installation check is checking as a snap size, and after that path. See that what happened? Environment variables. Yeah, perfectly done. Then start installation. Install.
Do we say the response file? No need, right? Just go for it.
No, that's right. Click on start. It's taking as a few minutes. like 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on your son.
So here we are doing only the Oracle installation. We are not doing any database setup here.
No, just is Oracle. That's your installation. That's database. You don't do anything.
Just the installation we are doing.
Yes, that's enough. You cannot do any configuration. You cannot do any architecture point. Only installation is done. In this top up, you can running as a SAP software. Okay. Now, yeah, you can just minimize this. You can starting a SAP software, not parallelly. Just I'm checking what are the options you have. Why you want to go for SWPM? Go for SWPM. Either you have to go for command based, either you have to go for directly exe file. Scroll down sapanst.exe. Okay, either you are running this file, scroll down. So by using this SWPM, this is the one of the tool. Okay, this is one of the, you have to installing SAP software, installation, upgradation, system copy, everything you have to perform in single software. That is meaning of SWPM, Software Provisioning Manager. Okay, all the versions will be having here only. Whatever version you're installing. Now go for SAP ANST, just double click on it. Or else you have to running to command based also. This exe file. Is there an SAP ANST file is there? Na?
Yeah, this one, right?
Yes, either you have to running this file into command based also. That is your wish. Either you have to double click on it, either you have to go for command based. Suppose you want to run the command based, open the command prompt. What is the command to run this file? Yeah, go for command prompt. Go for this path SWPM where the SWPM is available. Command prompt. Open the command prompt. So I want to run this file, not for double click on it, just yeah, through command based also. Go for SWPM directly. Where is SWPM? No, wait. So here you no need to that. Yeah, now you can. Yeah, now you can type the command sapanst.exe. SAP-INST. Yeah, the file name SAP-INST. INST. No. IAST is there. INST. See, that is the file only. IST dot exe space space. So command capital letter. The command is SAP-INST capital letter. SAP-INST underscore use underscore host name.
Okay.
Underscore host name equal to your computer name.
Okay.
SAPCC something.
Okay.
This is command based. Okay. Yeah, even Linux machine, Unix machine, anywhere you can follow this method. Okay. In a Windows mesh button, just double click on it. There's two methods. You can just click on enter button.
I can enter it now.
Yeah, just click on enter it. Now installation is pop-up will become.
Okay.
What happened? It's not open.
I think .exe we have to give or what? It's not recognizing.
.exe is not taking. Yeah, type it SAP-INST.exe.
So this also will open the GUI screen only, or it will do everything in the command line?
No, GUI based only. Everything GUI based. But how? Because you had to specify host name, na? The same host is open automatically. Suppose you have to multiple hosts is there. At that time, you have to use this command. You have to specify. You have to installing only that particular host. Okay. This is purpose. You can use this command. Okay. Enter button.
Yeah, it's okay.
No, that's anywhere, even Linux machine, Unix machine, that's installation is common for everywhere. Everything is GUI based only. There is no command based. Even HANA also, even everything is only for even HANA installing Linux machines. HANA DB. That is also use the same command SWPM INSTs and can, but again you come into GUI based only.
Okay.
SAP all installation GUI based. There is no command prompt based.
Can we try with Linux in one of the machine?
Sorry, Linux machine.
Can we install in Linux machine?
Yeah, you can use the same. Same, you can use the Linux machine also, no problem. What is open? I think. Program starter. Yeah, it's checking as a key. The key is available or not.
Yeah.
Registration key, HA key. Okay, okay. He's asking virtual name. What we'll do? Just go for this type of normal starting is waiting. Okay. Close anyone this once again. This is the host mission. Means you are running a virtual machine now. Yeah, use the command. Go for command run. Command is
Close this, right? Close this or what?
yeah, minimize. Just minimize it.
Okay. Yeah.
Asking a registration key instead of you have to go for registration key is normally REGDIT. Just no run. Just no run directly. REG that's command is RGTTS. Yeah,
This
yeah,
one, right?
click on that. Yes,
I get it.
correct. Yes. Now go for where is that? By directly is go for not path. Back connection option is not there. Okay, go for a low. What the specification is there?
Local key machine system control. Okay.
Yeah. No need for this actually.
Okay.
Go for
No need.
system. Yeah, no need, but actually, it's true. You have multiple hosts, you can perform this. RS, no need for this. Okay, close this everything. Now, just you getting this type up now. Close everything.
Okay.
You have multiple hosts, you have to putting as dot symbol. No, otherwise there is no use of this.
So
Okay.
I can close this, right?
Yeah, close this everything. Close, no problem. Now, so this is the command based. You just go for as any file is directly open. Yeah, go for that SWPM software. Now run the SAP NST file. We have multiple hosts. You can use the command. RS there is no use of that.
Oh, you mean
So
to say the multiple host is there? Then we have to give that. We
yes,
can say in another way,
not,
if we want to do the installation via virtual host, then we can specify that variable, right? SAP inst use host
yes,
name.
IRG. Yeah, that is ISC. The command you can use it.
Okay, sure.
Now check the progress bar is sorted now. Just click on that icon is open. Now it's no. Below is there now after flag symbol. No. Oh yes, open. Show the output window. Scroll down. Now it's start.
Yeah, to start the GUI. Okay.
Yes. Previously, why is not is that is the different. Okay, multiple hosts you can use that command SAP NST use underscore host. So you have only single host. At that you have to go for the RGD. Then we have to put in the dot black connection but what?
So this will install on the physical host name.
Yes, your physical directly only one single host that is taking. Okay. Yeah. Now database also successfully done.
Okay, so we can close this, right?
Close this.
Okay.
Okay, now you can go for it. So here, which software you are installing? Either you are installing a see here, guys. You have to discuss. This is the important one. All the softwares will be supporting. Now, we're based on their SWPM version. The software will the SWPM tool is integrated with all the softwares. Now I had installing SAP NetWeaver 7.4. Suppose you are installing SAP NetWeaver, the same thing. 7.3 even enhancement package is also there. Even business suite also there. Scroll down. Even I want uninstalling also, uninstallation also coming to here only. Okay. Okay. How you installing is that? But go for generic is option. The generic installation option. Last one. So select the database. Which database you are installing? Any
Oracle,
database,
right?
now you have to uninstall it.
Oracle.
Option is then uninstall. The installation, how much time will be taking? Installation also same thing will be going on.
Okay.
Okay, select any database, just click on uninstall it. That's enough. Even renaming, dual stack, split configuration, anything. This to say the software will be common.
So this SWPM is a single package which we can do everything.
Yeah, everything for that. Because of before you want to downloading SWP, you can read it. What type of features is available. Okay, then you can download it based on the features. Okay, so even HANA installation also you can downloading as a. Now what is SWP you're using is using the 9 version. I think 9 version. SWPM 17 or 18 we're getting as a HANA also.
Okay.
Based on the SWPM, you can getting as a software version. Now I want installing latest one, SAP NetWeaver 7.4 Superior Reason. Select the first one. First one. Okay, now what type of database I am installing? Backend, my database is Oracle database. Expand the Oracle database. Anyway, the options are same.
Okay.
Okay, now what we do? So you will see what options for folders is there. Preparation. Till now, what are the pre-installation steps is done? Everything preparations. After that, SAP system, additional SAP instances. What is that? During the first time installation, third folder. Yeah, no, that is close this. Close it. I mean, third folder. No. Close this. Third floor. What is third floor here? Additional instances. Here, that is all.
Voice.
What is folder name here?
Your voice is getting.
System instances means additional application. Again, that is
Srini, we are not able to hear it. Anything. Voice is having some
I'm not
issues.
getting it.
No, the voice having some issues, Srini.
1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. I can tag on a voice system.
Maybe we can start from this Oracle onwards.
Now it's okay.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Yeah, that is just wait. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, now here based on the event. Okay, now based on them. So first one preparation. Till now, what are the pre-installation steps is done perfectly, like sizing and that snap size and host name, everything is perfectly on. You can checking here only.
Okay.
Yeah. Then after that, SAP system. Now you are installing. First time when you go for, you can go for SAP systems. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, additional SAP system instances. What is that meaning here?
This conference will now be recorded.
Yes. Sir.
Hello, Srini.
Yeah, now it's clear. Voice. I'm logging into mobile phone.
Oh, it's better now. Yeah.
Okay, now see here the third option. What is the third option here? Additional SAP instances means you have to installing additional application server. Nowadays, what happened? Message server and queue server you have to maintain separately. Okay, and next, fourth option is the system copy. Like you say, na system homogeneous copy, heterogeneous copy. Those will be go for here. System copy option. Okay, now first of all, I have to perform as a preparation. Expand the preparation. Till now, what are the post-installation steps you perform? Everything is perfectly all right. I can checking there. Yeah, go for pre-installation check. Click on select that option. So when you check it, just see here, right side you have description. What is the purpose of you can do this? See here, check your installation host for compilation. Most of the prerequisites different installation guide before you want to start. Okay, so you want to compulsory perform this because of in between you want to getting an error. It's a very crucial errors means you cannot understand that error also. So that's why before only you can check the pre-installation step perfectly. The installation is perfectly all right. Okay, then click on next step. Yeah, now see here again. So during as architecture discussing, application servers are divided into two types. What are two types here? Application server for ABAP and application for Java. Again, an application for ABAP, what are the components is there? A database instance, primary application server, central services, and additional application server. Even Java also same thing. Okay, now I want installing the first 4 component. check that checkbox. If you want to go for dual stack, is nothing. We are selecting all. So now you have to go for only single stack now. You can select all. That's 4 components only. Okay, primary application server, central services, additional application server, and coming to database instance. Okay, 4 will be created. Click on next. Okay, database. So by default, this is the database version. No need anything by default. Okay. Because you before you can select the
Okay, yeah, correct.
Okay, click on next. Click on these are the information. No need. He's asking a Java path. No need. It's any ecosystem. You click on next. Okay, now he's asking as a kernel path. So specify the kernel file path. Where is the drive? E drive. Where the software is available? E drive now. E drive. SAP software. Scroll down. SAP software can expand. Kernel. Expand. No. GIF, not GIF file. Unzip. GIF is not taking. Okay, that is one. Yes. Expand that. Now you can select the file label.asc. No. Label.asc file. So why you want to select this? Nothing but just click on OK. So read this below. Read it. The additional software required by the media is detecting using as identification file, either label.asc file, either label.idx.asc file. Below see that information. Sir, why you want to taking as a label.asc? Because the kernel media is detecting through label.asc file only. But when you go for latest version like a HANA installation or more than version solution manager, now you don't give a label.asc file. Directly you have to give the folder name, automatically detecting overall thing. That is a old version, new version. But when you go for NetWeaver 7 perf, you have to compulsory give the label.asc file. Go for more than that, no need to specify. Directly you have to give the path, kernel path. Previous designer, just give the kernel directly. That's enough. Everything is pick up.
So it will pick up automatically, right? It will pick up automatically.
Yes. Click on next now.
Actually, what is this kernel means? It's a kernel for the software, SAP software, or what? What is this kernel?
Yes. The relation between the just here to like all executable files, SAP executable file and database executable files is available. This kernel files only.
Okay. So
The
it's
core
like
files of your SAP as well as the database.
Okay. So it's something like
you
the
can
core.
Understand. Yeah, core exe file, every exe file.
Okay.
You can simply say all exe file. SAP start exe, database exe file, everything is available only. Yeah, do we understand? You can understand during kernel upgradation. What is the kernel file? How you can upgrade it? Even OS also have the exe file. That's you can clear for that. Okay, I will explain. No problem. Click on next. Yeah. So this is a summary. So till now, what we're selecting everything. Suppose if you want to do anything mistake, select the checkbox and revise it. Below 4 options is there. Back option, next option, revise it and show the detail. Okay, everything till now what we're selecting the day. So you want to check the checkbox and just click on anything you do mistake, just click on revise it.
Okay. So I can select this,
just
right?
Click on it.
Okay.
No need, just I'm saying, just click on revise it and check it. Then only revise option is there.
Okay.
Now so, perfectly everything is done. If you want any mistake in by default, like a password mistake, not this is the pre-installation, not like just to say normally. Okay, anything you do wrong mistake. Now, sorry, you are selecting as only above. I want to go for Java also. Yeah, select that and just go again. Go for back step. Click just check the checkbox again. Go for.
Okay. So we can now click next, right, Sri? Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, Shekhar, I'm able to hear.
I think Sri dropped off our voice.
Hello, sir.
Praveen.
From system
Praveen.
was I just know it what work.
What happened? What happened?
My
No, no,
system
no.
was
I'm muted.
hanged.
Just sorry.
Yeah, Sri, you're
Nothing,
dropped off.
nothing.
Yeah, click on next. No need. Just click on next. Yeah. Now task is running. Now which we're getting as a overall pre-installation steps in real time. What are the pre-installation steps you have to perform? Everything you have to getting as a one screenshot. So anything you do a mistake, you're getting as a red color. Yeah, is a low. See here what happened. Okay, you're doing that. Snap size is not affected. See here. That is it. Even it's getting a red look. So maybe how much is required?
20 GB it's required.
But I think you do changes, but it's not affected because
No, we
otherwise
are
after restart you have to, yeah. Again, go for right click on properties. Do this and see the host name. What a maximum host name? You have a
yeah,
host name.
13
Let's see
characters.
here the naming convention. Okay. See the node number also. Operating system, RAM size, domain name,
Okay.
domain control. Okay. Well-known groups name
Rest all is okay.
and free hard disk space. Okay.
Okay.
And IP address is perfectly pinging and operating system. This is all. Now it's
So what
getting error. That is the error only. Is getting a right
size,
click
right?
on my computer. Yes. Before actually previously starting na maybe restarting at that time is asking restart. You can do restart, but as well is not affected maybe. Settings is not changing.
No, but we set it to
Okay, actually,
particular.
no. They actually is setting C drive maybe. They actually so select the C drive. Is taking system na C drive. Yeah, that is taken. Yeah. C drive. If I get sorry, C drive. Yeah, select the C drive. Yeah, now you want to give that for no click on set it. That is the RAM you can see.
Expecting a
Yes.
seat.
Yeah. 50th you can upload. Click on OK. No restarting. Click on OK. Okay. Maybe restart. Just try it now. Click on next. No. Just click on next. Click on next. Now what happened? The system is elaborated automatically. Okay. Do you want to restart? Yes. Click on S once again. Do you want to restart this? Yeah. Now it's taking perfect. Scroll down. Yeah. Now it's taking perfectly. Where is that? I don't know. You are skipping that step. Okay. I have. Is there? Yes.
There.
Yeah. Now it's selected. Yes.
It's
Okay.
automatically
Now you
like
can take this. Yeah, you can take the screenshot of this because in real time, maybe when you getting the chance, you can do this.
okay. 1 second.
All the steps. Host name and the characters.
Yeah, 1 second. My laptop is another dead slow. 1 second.
Okay.
I'm thinking Windows Server 2012 has taken a lot. Maybe Linux will be faster. We can do it on Linux also.
What happened? Yeah, you can use the software in Linux machines also.
Okay. When I started Windows 2012, actually my system is getting too slow.
It's very slow.
Yeah, very slow.
So which version or which flavor we need to download if it is Linux?
For Linux, I don't get any idea because I will check it 1 second. Service Mac will check it. I like that. Okay. Any old versions is okay for SUSE Linux or Linux. Is old versions is okay.
Yeah, Sri, I taken a screenshot of it. I'll
Yes.
send it.
Okay. When I click on next. Now it's completed. Okay. It's getting one pop-up and close that and start the installation now. So these are the pre-installation steps you can perfectly done. Okay, wait, it's getting one pop-up. Wait, it's getting one pop-up. The evaluation path. Yes, this is the evaluation part. Okay, click on OK.
Yeah, no, 1 second. I think if I take screenshot, I can send to everybody so they can install it.
Yeah, the recording is going, na? That's fine. Okay, if you
Oh,
press
okay,
S, okay, fine.
Okay. So again, launch the SAP.
Now again, double. Yes. Now start the SAP software installation. Now select the SAP NetWeaver 7.4, first one. Oracle, SAP systems. Additional application server, expand that. The first one. No, that's sorry. SAP is sorry. Application per above, not additional.
As above, right?
Yeah, yes, above. Again, here 3 folders is the standard system, distribution system, and high availability system. So standard system is nothing but like a central instance, central services, and dialog instance, everything available on a single machine. Okay. Suppose just click on standard system once again. Just click on standard. What is that meaning? Click on standard system. Just click on. No need. Just no. Read that. Right click your right side. You get getting. When I'm select this option, what are the features installing? So read that. Central services, database instance, and next one is the primary application. These 3 are installing by default within the same host. Okay. Sir, I want to go for different like central service are maintain different system, different host, and database instance different host, and primary application. Then you have to go for as a distribution system. Go for distribution system means all are in different hosts. Go for distribution means on different. So here again, what happened? 3 are in different. Here I want installing only first option. What is the first option?
Yes. Central instance.
Yeah, that is only first. That is, I want installing only central instance some point of view. Next one.
Database instance.
Database in some and other. Next one is primary listening. Means this is different, not for same missions. Okay, distributing systems. Okay. Next one, high availability. Explain the high availability also. Okay, now cluster configuration, database instance, additional, again primary application. Again, this is also name means again you have to maintain. This is also different missions. For large number of cells, you can go for these options. So see here, what is that meaning? Right there, you have to give the description also. See what is that meaning? See here. So installing as SAP NetWeaver 7.4 support release above for high availability scenario. So mandatory of instance of high availability NetWeaver supporting central services, NQ replication server, and database, and primary application server, external application servers also. So perform the installation of exactly order API to restarting of software provision. Get it over there. So each of means you have to go for different missions with different. Not for the sequence is common.
So when we go for
That
a,
is-
let's say, distributed system, when we go for a different server installation, first we have to do the AAS, then database, then the primary application server, correct? This
No,
is
no,
sequence.
that is another sequence. This is if see here. Read above one description. Installation of SAP NetWeaver 7.4. The SAP system is distributed several host, not
Okay,
for
so
single host.
okay,
Separate host.
okay.
Okay.
So that's what
That
in
is
the
what I'm saying.
separate, in the separate
Yeah.
host, first we have to do this instance, then database, right?
Yeah, database instance after primary application. There is no sequence. There is no sequence is not mentioned because of you have to maintain separate missions. No, there is no need for that. But you have to
Oh,
communicate means you can use a sequence.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Now you have to go for standard instance, standard system. Everything in single mission. Even below process integration, application for Java, and standard alone systems. Okay, and standard engines. That the PA module, NetWeaver, and application
NetWeaver
for Java.
integration.
The process integration, that is okay, application for Java, and again components. So you can add separately also add you. That is a dual stack config. Now you have to go for single stack. Click on next. Now we are installing as a central services, database instance, primary everything is single host.
All in the same server.
Yeah, see, read the right here. Your description is there. No? SAP install the SAP NetWeaver 7.4 ABAP system with all instances on same host. Okay, those are the ABAP central services, database instance, and primary application server.
Supposing we are going to have it in a different host, then we have to repeat the same procedure again for all the hosts.
Yes, yes, same process, same process. You can do for all pre-installation step, everything.
Okay.
Okay, again, okay, you see here, typical and custom. So typical is nothing but by default setting, and custom is nothing. You have to customizing as per your customer requirement or client requirement. So after that, so I can changing also. Okay, now I'm taking as typical. During as after installation, I can changing as per my request. So that is a profile parameter concept.
Okay.
Okay,
We'll go with
click
the
on
typical,
next.
right? We'll go with the typical.
Yes. Yeah. When you go for custom, you're requiring a domain name. Now he's asking restarting. Yes, click on restart. Okay, automatic restarting.
So this will restart the entire system.
Yes, entire system. Just click on a control, enter the password. Now automatically prompted which step is passed. Again, keep same step. No need to do anything. By default is getting which step you are missing. Because now is creating one more user ID.
Okay.
Yes, started. That's just progress, but just click on that icon showing what the status of that. Yes, now give the database ID. Okay, system ID, SID. Sorry, system ID. Okay, give the system ID. Anything, development, quality, and production, everything. So that's the naming convention should be an alphabet and numeric and combination only alphabet. Okay, this is
This can
based
be
on
only
your
3 letters, right? System name can be only
Yeah.
3 letters.
yeah maximum is 3 letters. Okay, but it should be combination of alphabet and numeric. All is only alphabet, but it should be compulsory starting with alphabet, not numeric. Okay, and select the by default drive is B drive. If you want to changing also try. Again, see what a path is creating now. So the path is usr/sap/sid. The path will be creating now. You should be an unique queue. Okay. Yeah, you can give anything. Yeah, development one, development even that is your wish. For example, who are installing one more thing, you had to give the quality system is better. Who are installing this training session? Who are installing? Then you have to giving as a QE1. Okay, PE1. Then you have to giving. Okay, the installation you have to 3 times you have to installing because the development, quality, and production is required. Okay, click on next.
So now we in the same system we are going to install two more installations.
Yeah,
Okay.
no problem. There is a space. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Same system. You can use. I will explain how you can after that. Okay, click on next. B
Yes,
drive
B-
only, na?
Yeah,
correct.
B-
Okay. Yeah, click on next.
Yeah, B drive only we have space.
Click on next. Same system you are installing as a quality also and production also, but
Okay.
the size this space issue.
Okay.
Okay, now he's asking as a domain name. So you have to putting as your domain name. You don't have any domain name now, like www.sapcorporation.com. Like means you want to access this application server through URL based also. You can using this. After that also you can change it. No need now. There's no need.
So unselect this, right?
Uncheck that. Uncheck. Yeah. This is the full domain because you have to your company name. See here, full qualified domain name. So even after installation also you have to configure by using the parameter. See the parameter. What a parameter? Which profile config parameter SAP local underscore full. Okay. You can after also you can means your organization name www.sap.com, www.accenture.com. The domain name you can specify it here. Okay, click on next. Now you don't just click on next.
This domain name is used to access the system through web, right?
Yeah, through browser based. That is yes here. The DNS domain name is used to calculate the full domain name through acting as a ABAP. So see here, the parameter need to define the URL for ABAP based or Java based application server. Okay.
Okay.
Just domain name. You can access this application server through browser based. That's it. Hello.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Yeah. Okay. Now click on next. Now give asking kernel path. Again, give the kernel path. Click on next. No, he's asking password. So give the same password as administrator, Windows administrator, what the password is the same password you have to give me. You can give any password, but you have to remember because you have to multiple passwords. Is then the same password is better for you.
So this
Okay,
master
now
password is for this system for this installation.
No. This is a user master. The user. So here the master password uses for all user IDs to be created. Means
Okay.
now you are installing SAP software, you're getting 3 user IDs, master user ID, SAP Star, DDAC, and Early Watch. Those password. Every password, even you want to start SAP server, every password you have to specify here. This password is for all users, standard users.
So, but this user after the while so during the installation, this password user ID will be created and this password will be set, right? After that, we can change the password for that user also, right?
Yes, you can change it. That is previously ST01, you can change it. First of
Okay.
all, you want to log in now. You can do login and do the post installation step. Do you requiring some password? So now you have to
Okay.
specify the password from them.
Okay. So I will give the
So
same
that's why I'm
Windows.
saying is it, yeah, as administrator, whatever password you given, same password you have to give it here also.
Okay.
It's better to understanding purpose. Again, you have to confusing which password is for SAP, which password for operating system.
Okay. So this password will be stored in the database now. During the installation, it will
Yes.
go on the database.
Not is created till now. At during
Okay.
the phases is that during the phase is created.
So the ID
It's
will
just
be
setting.
created in the database level, not in the OS level, right? These IDs are created in the database level, not in the OS
No.
level.
So you have a lot of users will be the standard users is there, and operating system users is the database user is there. So
Okay.
operating system user IDs are the SID ADM and SAP service.adm. These two user IDs are from OS level. Okay. And after the database level, you have to creating as SAP star DDAC. Those users are creating database level. I will explaining, no problem. Like whatever the user IDs, I will explain it. After once you do this, after installation, you can check it. In your operating system, how many users will be there?
Okay.
Now it's creating OS users as well as database users.
Okay.
Remember the password. Suppose you have to forget the password, it's the waste of thing to install the SAP software. So I had to see some guys are forget because those are confusing the password. Which password for operating system, which one for SAP. Then those are uninstalling again reinstallation. Database ID. Same you have to give it. D even something. Okay. So either you take a new one also, but is now you have to use both are installing same machine, so you can give the same, no problem.
See, one doubt when we do the
Yeah, tell me.
installation in our systems, right? Before we start this process, we used to give a temporary path where it will store all the log files. So if any issue, and we will restart from the same path. In the
No,
Windows,
no
right?
problem.
Today we didn't
No,
give
no,
any path, right? Temporary path. So where it will install?
no. By default, even you don't specify any path. Also, by default, one path is created. SAP INST dot directly the path will be checked. I will explain
So that
once you
path
give the
will be
path. This,
okay.
yeah, I will show that. Yes. Go for installation export. Go for no need to grieve in anything. By default, is SAP is created. Old version you had to set it, but latest version no need to do anything. Everything is set up.
So
Yeah,
it
now
will
he's
create
asking
from
is
the path
export folder.
where we are triggering the software, right? It will create from the
Yes.
path.
Yeah. Now give the export file now here. I'll show that where the log files is there.
Sure.
Go for read
So
drive.
what is this export file?
NW7 path. Export. What is export is nothing but your overall data in SAP, this software, whatever data, everything is exporting into the inner mission. That's why it's taking us a longer time. So during as installation, minimum 3 exports is required. Any installation, you have to remember, minimum 3 exports is required. Yeah, explain SAP software. Go for, where is that? No, NW, third file, NW740, label.asc. This folder consists of 3 exports. Check it. Once open that folder, you can check it. 3 exports is there. Should be a minimum 3 exports is required. Yeah, that was one. Export 1, export 2, export 3. Yes.
So this is a
Yeah.
predefined data from the SAP.
Yes, that is pretty different. But that is what I'm saying. You should be, before you want to do, maximum getting his error is export problem. So during his download, you can check in whether the all 3 exports is available or not. Then only you can download, or else no need to download it. So max my guys are doing it this wrong. Then only the data is not fetching the data from the data is not fetching properly data based on the exports. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So when you're downloading, it should be a minimum 3 exports is compulsory. Any installations. Yeah, click on OK. Click on next. Now you're asking na. So go for C drive. By default, where are you getting the logs? By default, one directory is created, sapanst.dir. Go for C drive. Yeah, okay, he's asking C drive. So SAP ANST, where is that program file? Go for program file. This is one database version. Program file. This is there? That is one. The all log files. Okay, this is the directory. Okay. No need to specify it. Old version you do the manually file now. Not version. Everything is created. Everything you can check here. So this is not for this. The RAM size. Where is the Oracle path? This is one. In this step, what happened? Those are asking as it like your SAP may asking, please installing as a SAP database software because you want to specify the path. Then those asking as a this step those are stopping the installation, then asking to you, please install the Oracle database or DB2 database. So that's why first of all you have to installing is better instead of you want to go for this step.
So if we don't install in the first, right?
Yes, then he's not getting the path. The path is not taking.
So, but we can give the installation path to because just to doubt when we in our environment, right? When we do any system copy or something, right? The database, if the software is already there, right? The SAP even still will give the path, software path in the SAP but it will skip that path. It will skip the installation. In case if the installation is not there, it will do the installation. But in this case, what will happen? It's already there. Installation is already there, so it will just skip the installation, right?
Yes. The skipping is not. When it's skipping, then where we store the data?
No. In this case, we already installed the software, right? Oracle is already installed here.
Yes.
If the Oracle is not installed, what will happen? It will prompt
to. Yes, is getting as error is please install the database and schema and those. Then after that, coming to this step.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Okay, without database, you cannot install. Just click on next. No need to do anything. Just click on. By default, what the schema has created. No need to do anything. Just by default.
Password anything? No need, right?
No, same password is taken. Previously, what the password is, the same password is taken.
Okay.
No need to get a password.
Okay.
Click on next. So how much RAM is there and total RAM?
Okay.
After installation also, you can do the setting. This setting you can change it. If you don't satisfy, you can changing also. Yeah, directories. checking everything, your database for data file, and check it out. By default is taking D drive only. Okay, below change the directories. Read log file D drive, B drive. Same database anywhere common. DB2 also data files is there.
Yeah.
And archiving file, yeah, everything common. Click on next.
So all I change it to B drive for me.
Yes.
Everything I change to B drive.
Okay. Now is it again by default listener port? How is communicating with SAP software to the Oracle database use a listener port? By default port number is 1252. That is constant. Yeah, that is constant. Any database is constant. Listener port number is constant. Okay, click on next. Yeah, don't go for declustering. Means above tables are not clustering for then no need for declustering the tables. Means declustering is nothing but you want to increasing the space. After installation you are increasing as a table space, and depulling is not possible. Okay, click on next. No need to this series. Here table declustering deeply converting as a above cluster to full from transportation, not ours department. This is above department. So above guys are so converting as a tables. That is the format of clustering table, transported table. Then don't no need putting as don't force. Those are do clustering.
Okay.
Don't decluster and depulling.
So we'll go with the don't option, right?
Yes, but it's a recommended method. SLD, System Landscape Directory. This is for only solution manager, not us. NetWeaver no. Only already existing solution manager you can use existing SLD. No SLD for that. Means you have to ID first. No, for example, now I am doing installation. First of all, I want to registering the solution manager, my SID and my passwords and everything I will. So those are give the license. At that you can use the configure the SLD. Other than there is no use of this. Only solution manager installation you can giving as a SLD configuration. Okay.
So no SLD for us here.
No need. After this, what happened? So you have to do manually also. Go for transition code SMSY in solution manager, not here. Go for transition code SMSYA and you have to register your SID and all. So he's asking as a license key and an installation. Now you have to go first select the default key. Default key is nothing but by default 3 months is getting as a licensed. Okay, individually means this is for production. Yeah, 3 months. After that, you can increasing also. How you can increasing means you want to changing either your server date and time, then increasing automatically. Means now all institution guys are doing this process only.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Because those are changing the date and time, no? Then is also automatically 10 years, 10 years is working.
Okay.
Yeah. Click on next. Yeah. This is the where I click client number. Browse the software. Browsed. Yes, 10. That is correct. 10. Yeah. Scroll down. Label.asc. Click on OK. Click on next. No need for this is for solution managers. No need. Just skip it. See, it's not recommended. See, it's not it's recommended to not installing as a diagnostic agent. So this is the summary. This is the last and final step. Once click on next, everything till now what we done. First of all, parameter, SID, domain name, password, again database ID, Oracle database path, destination, like where is storing as a data files, by default directories, listener port number, declustering, SLD, default, and storage is fine. If you want to do anything mistake, then select the checkbox and just click on revise option.
Okay.
Then click on next. Now installation is going on. So it's taking as a more than 3 to 4 hours. Putting it just ideally, just minimum taking as 2 hours because it's based on your RAM and based on your hard disk space. Now see these all phases. Which phase is important? Is importing above phase is there now. Scroll down maybe 20 phase. Now he's creating database import. That phase is taking longer time. That phase only at least taking is 1 hour. Import
Actual
above.
data will be loaded.
Okay.
So this data is like a system table data. Everything will get loaded based for the application, right?
Yes, everything is importing. Now see here, what are the account? Scroll upside. Now I explain each and every phase. The first page standard system, what is standard updating the DLF normally, and now here creating the users from SAP system. Now previously just asking now what are the you see below what the user is creating? SAP service.de.adm. That is one ID. One more user ID, SAP service. This is the operating system users. Okay, it's done. That is. Okay, now it's installed in common files. Common files filter means it's directories. Now is the two users are creating that SAP those users. Now you're typing the passwords and everything. Install the common file, uncad SAP file, creating and load the database. Install now. Till the database installation is not perfect. Here is say below is create the database, create the table space, and what I can those phases is that everything is creating. Schema name, patch number, install the DBA tool like database administration tool, backup, recovery, those tools are also started. Okay.
Okay.
Putting it just ideally for 2 or 3 hours, this installation is going on. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, guys, any queries for this installation? Anyone try it now?
Sayed, it's working. You are installing. Shravan, Praveen.
Actually, I was trying to extract that part-1 file, but looks like it's not extracting for me in
Can you
Windows
show the screen?
2016
Sayed?
sir.
Show the screen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let
One
me
thing
share
is,
it.
suppose. Yeah. One second. Yeah, Shaker sir, maximum you're getting is only one error.
Ah,
Hold on.
yeah.
Maybe by chance you're getting any error, you can share the screenshot to me. Then I'll, okay, maximum you're getting error is like a start SAP instance is there. Na? At first you're getting maybe error. Okay,
Where here
start
start
instance. Yeah, yes, yes. So at that time, what happens? Sometimes database is not up properly. At that time, what we'll do? Go open the notepad,
Okay.
troubleshooting point of view.
Okay.
Here two troubleshooting is there. The error is maximum you're getting error is start instance problem. So at that time, what we'll do? Start instance space you're getting any error because sometimes database is not bringing properly. Okay, even Google also is not answers is there because based on the experience I told that. Okay, so at that time, what we do? Go for service.msc, go for run services.msc, services.msc.
Oh, you want me to go
Okay,
now?
yeah, not now. I'm saying after now he's not getting no.
Okay. 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 Service does MSC.
So you want to yeah service.msc. So the service files are like a listener port Oracle underscore the file name which service you want to put in. After you have to go for Oracle listener something Oracle DB, yeah, Oracle underscore listener dot listener port. Then you have to start that the service name you can start. Listener
Okay.
something naming is there, but the file name is Oracle DB11G listener port something is there. Listener is not picking proper as well. So you can start the service manual. Sorry, yes, right click on and that putting as automatic. That is one.
Okay.
Okay, even is not getting as error, then what we'll do? Go for C drive. Even is getting till first that is a troubleshooting. Even till is getting error. Second
Okay.
troubleshooting. Same that is the same error. Second troubleshooting.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
go for C drive. Same problem. Second because the host name is not bringing proper. Like IP address is mismatching sometimes. Then what we'll do?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go for C drive. Sys32 drivers. No, same issue. Troubleshooting. Okay, troubleshooting one, troubleshooting two. Okay, fine. Go to C drive. This 32. Sorry, Windows or users. I target. Go for navigation. I forgot navigation. Yeah, just go for navigation. C drive.
Yeah.
Users. Sorry, users are. Where is the users 32 is available? Users, I think. Users. No, no. Okay, go back. Windows.
Yeah. It's Windows.
Windows. Yeah, Windows. Sys32. Drivers. etc, and Hopper host. Open the phone notepad host. Double click on it.
Yeah. One second.
Open the notepad format.
Oh. Okay. Okay. This one I'm typing here. Just give me a sec.
Okay, fine.
Open host file, right?
Yeah, host file. Open the notepad format and type your current IP address as your host name. Then save it and just open. At the end of the line, you can at the end of the last two line is there. You can putting as your IP address, current IP host, virtual IP address, and your host name. Then save it and again restart. Then error is gone. These are 2 points you're getting error. That error. Other than there is no errors. See.
CM.
So IP will be command prompt. So this will be the IP for me.
Yeah,
192.
192. Yeah. That IP address as well as a host name. SAP CCTR is the host name.
Yeah.
Type that files into the notepad, then save with the notepad file, and again just click on retry.
So this should be fine, right? These two troubleshoot.
Yes. Yes, that is these two majorly. Other than there is no errors. Sometime database is not pinging, then it's getting error, or else remaining. Yeah, it's taking some time. No problem. It's taking a lot of
Come
time.
here, right? It will come
That
in
was,
this.
yeah, that phase. Yeah, phase number. I don't know that phase number 21, 26 maybe.
Yeah, I think it's more than 20, I guess.
36 is the last one calculated. Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost like
26,
28, 28 step.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. And one more thing, disable the firewalls. Disable the firewall. That is one of the prerequisites. Forget. Disable the firewalls. After installation is done, you can enable. Do that. Now you can do it. No problem.
Okay.
During installation, database and everything is where you done here only. Virtual machine you can fire. Oh, correct. Yeah. Firewalls. Yeah.
Okay.
This is one of the prerequisites. Compulsory, you want to disable the firewalls.
Okay.
Turn off.
So both private and public, both we can do it, right?
Yes, both. Yes.
Okay. Firewall is off.
Yes, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Guys, anyone else?
This will be the 2 steps.
Yeah. Sayed, you do try installation. Now I can make it presentation.
Yeah, you can give. Yeah.
Please share the screen. Yes, you are able to see the screen now.
Yeah, we are able to see Sayed.
Yeah, you are able to see the screen now.
Okay.
Show the error. Where are you getting the error? Part 1 is started. Okay. Okay, is extracted is taking like now part 2 is extracted. Yes, part 2 extraction is going on. No, by default is taking. See that the file for part 2 is extraction is going on.
Okay.
After that, kernel also you can extract it. Yeah, SWPM. Open the SWPM. Yeah, now start extraction. Open the command prompt. These files are extracting through command prompt only. Any file format that is available in SAR format, you can extract it through command prompt only. Yeah, CD, the path. What is the path? You can copy paste it. Enter. Okay. SAP car just automatically became how is no underscore 315 no 315 that entire file name.
Okay.
The first file SAP car file name, the file name we can give it that SAP car -315 and the -20 that file. Yes, copy and paste it is better. Here only can copy it. Select that file and copy. Right click on copy. Yeah, copy. Yeah, paste it, no problem. Right click below. I think it's copy is select is nothing but is paste. Paste it. Right click on paste it.
No, something wrong.
Yeah, it's taking it. It's taking automatically. When you select it, it's taken automatically. Space hyphen. Space hyphen. Yeah, correct. Hyphen XVF small letter. XVF or XX anything XVF. XVF. Small letter. not capsule, small letter, small X, correct, not H. Yeah, and second file name, SWPM. Again, select it, no problem. Select it, automatically copy is automatically. And just click on that here. Enter, yeah, now click on enter. Extraction is going on. Yes, minimize this, it's storing a lot of time. You can extract the kernel file, go for folder once again. Right click on it, extract it. Yes. Click on extract. You have free space in C drive, everything you do is C drive only?
Yeah, C drive. C drive got 500 GB there.
Yes, okay. NW740 also you can extract it? Okay, fine. NW740. Kernel is done. Extract, yes. Minimize this. Minimize this. This extraction is going up. Minimize this. Go for where you are. No. Everything is done. Go back. No need to do anything. This. Go back. Go for one more file. Java, yes. Second file. Correct. You do correct. That's correct. SAP software one only. Second file. Right click and extract. Yes. This is a Oracle client. They're putting a naming. Extract. Yeah, it's taken some time. Wait for a moment. Even Java is there. Java software is there.
Yeah, it should be there.
Yeah, you change the host name, Java, snap size, those. Yeah, install the Java. Maybe his installation is going. It's not taking. Maybe wait. It's taking some time because of database extraction is going on. It's taking some time. After that, start the pre-installation step and start the SAP software installation. Okay.
Yeah.
What is pre-installation? First of all, hostname mandatory. Snap sign is the mandatory. Java, that is Java has to do it. Maybe we are doing Oracle Java installation. After the environment variables, those and start the SAP software. Sorry, Oracle after the SAP. Wait. Java installation is going on. No? The server is getting stuck.
Yeah.
After you are changing a system, you are restarting. Wait, everything is gone. Wait. Don't do it. Wait for a few minutes after, because of once you do system change, you just click and restart. Now everything is gone. Till now, what we get, everything is shortcuts is came into picture. Yeah, is Java, I think, is getting pop-up. See that pop-up is there. Yeah, Java is completed. Java. Yes. Next. Next. Sida is taking. Okay, fine. Next. One second, Syed. I'll come back. Just 1 second. My charges is gone. Just 1 second.
Okay.
Sayed, Java installation just stuck there, Sayed, or it's moving?
I'm not sure, Shekhar. It says status and it's not moving. Maybe because this extraction and all these
Oh,
three running, right?
it eat up all the memories, I guess.
Looks like.
See the problem because Java installation should be very fast actually.
Yeah.
Actually, extraction takes taking long time. Actually,
Yeah, Praveen. That especially that SWPM and then that Oracle extraction, right? That too will take some time actually. Rest all should be fast.
After the extraction, I will better we start actually installation.
Yeah. That's what I most of the CPU with these extractions only, I guess.
Yeah.
Actually,
Let's see.
mine three extractions are going parallelly.
Oh,
It's,
okay. I think Oracle extraction is done or what? Just see the JSDK says Java no. See Java no.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's
Jacob
starting
sir,
now.
part two extraction also you did, right?
No, once you click part one, it will automatically pick up part two, sir.
No, sir. Actually, part one, actually, earlier Sri has told to run as administrator, right?
Yeah, for you are saying for the Oracle, right?
I don't know what is that for.
Which file you are extracting?
There is one
Part
part one 51047 948 underscore part one is there, right?
Yeah, 948. That
Yeah,
is
that
enough.
is what.
Once you click part one, it will pick up automatically part two, sir.
Oh, okay, okay.
It will pick up automatically. That is for the actual Oracle thing. It will pick up automatically. No need to worry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
First, it will do the installation. It will say the installation. The once the progress bar is 100%, right? Then it will. You can see the wordings there. It says part two installation going on.
Oh, okay.
It will extract automatically. Yeah, it's a RAR file only, right? It's a RAR file, so it should go.
Yes. But what happened? Your system is too busy for all files.
Yeah,
Yeah, now is
all three
that is it.
extracting still.
Yes, yes. Anyone is facing the same issue? Okay, that is done. Java installation. Wait. Oracle, I think, completed. Wait. Java is maybe that is already sent a BBK. Already some program is running. So that's why it's not taking. Oracle is completed. Check it. I think Oracle is completed now. Yeah. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
got to complete. Oracle is. This is also completed. Close this. SWPM also close it. Close the command prompt. It's done. That is done.
Two extracts are running now. Kernel and NW740.
Yes, that's it. Yes,
I
correct.
think
Fine.
it's going
Yeah,
finished.
Java is finished. Yes, finish it. He's asking a restart. No. Just click on no. Click on no. Anything else to? Yes. Yeah, you can do what we do now. Now go for right click on computer, change the computer name, change the host name. Be careful when you're asking a restarting, putting as a restart later. Otherwise,
Yeah,
whatever
correct.
mistake
Extraction last work.
properties. Wait, he's saying as a proper. Wait, the paging file to be loaded is failure. Go for change the setting. You have 8 GB RAM, so it's very fast, but it's very
Should
slow.
be fast. Slow, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, click on change.
Yeah.
Yeah, your VMware itself you allocated 8 GB, right? It should be very fast actually.
Yeah, give any names. Yes, okay. Some lengthy, give it some lengthy. Is only 6 letters. Minimum 80 I can give it. NW, give the NW, TRNG. NWTR training. Click on OK.
Domain number.
No,
Nothing.
that's common. Domain you don't have, na? It's work group only by default. Okay. He's asking again, no problem. Just click on OK. Just information only, not action. Okay, click on OK.
Close, right?
Yeah, close it. Just click on close it. Relator. Now go for again. Right click on my computer. Go for properties. I think extraction is complete everything.
Yeah.
Right click on properties. Yeah. Again, advanced system setting tab. Wait. It's type advanced system change. Advanced system settings. Settings. Advanced. Here, advanced tab. Change below. Uncheck automatically. Select the custom size. Give the 40,000. Below also 40,000. Below maximum size of 40. Set and apply. Click on set.
Yeah.
Set.
No, something is wrong with the mouse.
Okay, it's taking it.
Okay. What happened? I clicked set.
Yeah, that's okay. Set is done. Yeah, now click on OK button. Below OK is there. You can hide this, no problem. Go to meeting pro is there. Just click on hide it. No problem.
Hide.
No, below. Okay, here go to meeting pro screening sharing option is there. That is I'm saying. Click on yeah. That is stop sharing and hide option is there. Just click on hide.
Okay. No, it's not hiding.
Okay, later we'll be hiding maybe. Try this. Okay, click on OK. That's OK is done. Click on OK. Set the environment variables. Here only, just click on environment variables. Okay, it's taking. What is that path is taking? You creating or system will be taking? Okay, maybe your system is taking. Okay, fine. Click on new. This is the 2016. Huh? Yes. Click on new. Yeah, Java underscore home, capital letter. Variable value. Go for C drive and give it a path. C JDSK something is there. No, where are you installing Java? That's one. Copy the path. Sorry. Sorry. below path. Below select the path and edit. System variables, and just you have to select the path and just click on edit. First select the path. No, below path is there now. The folder name is yes, path, and just click on edit. At the end of the line, you can put in a semicolon at the end of the line. Edit, just click on edit. Edit. Path, semicolon. Just putting a semicolon. No problem. It's keeping new, but actually getting new file. Semicolon. Java, again go for bin directly, copy paste it. Paste it, just click and paste it. /bin. Click on OK. Okay. Now everything restarting once again. Restart your computer now. Check it, everything is perfect. Yeah. Okay, now restart it. Not virtual machine. No need to go for virtual machine. Just wait a minute. Your operating system, you want to restart it. Yes. Go for Windows button. Restart. Click on that. Yes. Restart. Okay. Continue. Continue.
Yeah.
Yes. Guys, do you have any error? Please ping me. I'm sending as my Skype ID. Because of you have getting any error, it's a time waste. Okay, so you have any time, anytime you have to ping me. So I'm sharing as my Skype ID in chatting. You can pinging anywhere, anytime. Okay, take the screenshot and send it. Because again, when you come to next class, now is waste of time waste. Any error in between installation, it's taking longer time. I'm sending as my Skype ID.
Okay, sure. This today's class video, you will link also you will send, right?
Yeah, I will send it after this ending the session. Then only I'll send it.
Okay, sure. Because
Tomorrow class at what time?
Sorry.
Tomorrow session at what time? In same time?
I'm not getting today.
Tomorrow's session, what time, Sri? Same time we'll start tomorrow's session?
Same time. Yeah, 5 to 8.
Sri,
Okay,
is it
fine.
possible to prepone by 2 p.m. IST?
2 p.m. Yeah, no problem. That is, I'm flexible. Tomorrow I'm also free. No problem. 2 to 5, that is also no problem for me. Ask your team, all not one binary. So you decide you say and send me a message that they can inform me. Whatever you're comfortable.
Okay. It is okay to update if I update it tomorrow morning?
Yeah, okay, fine.
No, I think Praveen, we can confirm now itself, Praveen. I am okay. 2 to 5 minutes, it will be like 4:30 Singapore.
Even I am okay, sir.
Yeah, 4:30 Singapore time should be okay for us. Syed, you are okay, right?
yeah, I'm okay. No problem.
I think it should be fine. We can start by 2 p.m. also tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow 2
Okay, sir.
p.m.
We'll start 2 p.m. IST.
Confirm?
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
yeah, it's
Let's
confirmed.
have a 2 p.m. session tomorrow.
I will send a message in WhatsApp to Chaitanya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Sri. So we'll have 2
Yeah.
p.m.
Thanks.
Okay.
Actually, mine extraction is done, Sri. Can you, is it okay? Shekhar sir?
Yeah. Just share your screen.
Yeah, and everything perfect. Go for command prompt, type the command Java C, and check the start the Oracle database installation.
I think it's still coming up.
Okay.
Java hyphen C, right?
C, no need to hyphen, just putting Java C, continuation, Java C.
Java C.
V also is now okay. Java C is working means the power environment variable successfully done. No, if something is mistake, Java C. Just try it once again. No, Java, first of all type Java. No, just type it Java once again. First of all Java. Enter. That's working. Java C. Enter. It means some error. Go for environment variable again. No, that's okay. Host name, okay. Environment variable, something mistake you done. Yeah, go for again. Right click on my computer. Go for properties. Advanced system setting tab. Environment variables. Below environment variable. That's correct. Java underscore is correct. Okay, below path only wrong. Go for edit. Just click on edit. Okay, is not set again. Okay, now what we'll do? Below is then at the end of the at the end of is then below last. Below at last. Last line. Yeah, last line you can paste the path. C underscore something is in last line. Last at the next line. No, next line.
Last next line is this one.
Yes, next. That is the next one. Below empty is there, na? Below empty. Yeah, edit the text below Java path. Yeah, okay, fine. Below is there. Below you can add new one. Na, is better.
Okay.
Click on enter once again. Just next line. Next line is empty. Is the next line.
It's
Below
coming.
under below system root below. Okay. Copy and paste it once again. Is waiting or not? Go for it. C drive. No. The path bin directory. Go for bin directory.
Okay.
One second. Otherwise, just one second. Go there once again.
Yeah.
No. Not here. Just directly go there. You can stop. You have to typing. Browse option is available. Na? Browse. Just click on browse option. Give the path, C drive. C drive, C drive, C drive. Bin. Click on OK. Click on OK.
Edit option. Edit. Okay.
Yeah, just click on no problem. Just click on OK. Yeah. Now it's done. Click on. Yeah. Done. Click on closed. Okay. Now type the command. Java C.
No exit from this or open new one. No need.
Sorry.
Exit this command prompt and open again in new command prompt.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay. Good. Yeah. Now it's working. Yes. Now start the Oracle database installation. Software. Yeah, two only. First one. Database. Setup. Yes.
Run as administrator or just run?
Yeah. No, just directly run. Only one user ID is there. No problem. Double click on it. Yeah, uncheck this. Uncheck this. I wish. No, uncheck this. Click on next. Okay. Yes. Last one. Skip the software update. Next. Yeah. Install the database software only. No. That's second radio button.
Single instance database installation run, right?
Yes, say single instance only. Next.
Okay.
Next say next English already there. Just go next.
Already there, right? Just
Yeah, click on next. Actually, my mobile phone is there.
Enterprise searching only say.
Yeah, click on next. Yeah, click on. See it, Lena. Yeah, click on next. Okay, same thing. You can start as software also. second. Is get the path. Just wait. Click on install now. Install.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's taking some time. Now go for SWPM SAP software. SWPM. SWPM. Go for SAP in S5. Scroll down. Below you have the file.
Yeah.
Scroll down. Okay.
Just a minute. I'll be back in a minute. 1 minute.
Okay. Guys, remaining you can log off, no problem. Okay.
Okay, Sri.
So, Praveen, Shravan,
Yeah, sir. Shekhar sir, tell me.
once you start a installation, right, if you face any issues, just let me know. Okay? So
Sure,
I
sure,
can
sure.
do it. Okay.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll start the installation. Okay.
Sure. Praveen, you also, Praveen, if you face issues, just let me know. We can go to meeting and then try to finish something. Okay.
Sure, sir, sure.
We'll try to complete before
And,
tomorrow's session.
Yeah.
and
So,
Thanks, Sri. Thanks, Sri. I will log off. Catch you tomorrow. Same. So tomorrow will be
okay.
2 p.m. right? 2 p.m.
yes,
IST
sir.
tomorrow.
Yes, it's 2 p.m. to 5
Thank
p.m.
you, Sri.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Thank you, Sri. Bye. Take care. Good night. Sri, just help. If possible, send the meeting video, Sri, after this session.
Yes, I'm sending my Skype ID. Yes, no, ping me my Skype ID. After this is I'll send it. Okay.
Sure,
And
Sri.
after 1 hour, the link. Okay.
Sure, Sri. Thanks. I will log off now. Thank you, Sri. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm back.
Yeah, check it. The installation is completed. Database.
31%.
Okay, fine. Check it. It's taken some time. Expand the SAP NetWeaver. No, once you install it, then only you can process. I go for Oracle database. Check it. Yes. Select your first foreground. Click on next. Next. Give the Oracle kernel path. Browse it. Software 2. Kernel is there, na? Kernel. Fourth one. Label.as. Click on next. Click on next. Parameter summary. I can take the screenshot for this. Free hard disk space and host name and operating system, RAM size, domain controller, those. PPNG. Skipping PP. Yes, correct. SNIPPING.
Oh, it's not there, I guess, in the Windows server.
Is there? I'm seeing just now. I'm seeing.
Okay,
Go
okay.
back. There is
Yeah.
there.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, it's taking some time. Yeah. Check it the Oracle. Just click on there, double click on. Open it. No problem. Simple opens.
56%. So first, this Oracle database
Yeah, once it's
installation should
completed.
be completed.
Yes. We'll wait for some time. You stop but it's asking a restart. When you're restarting again, the installation is going stuck. Restarting, when you're restarting means again it's getting stuck. 8 minutes basically.
you can see my screen, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Sayed, I will send the recording now. It's better. I'll stop it.
Okay, yeah, sure. We can stop it here. I will do it later.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Thanks.